In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect CG dropshipping to Shopify and how you can import products and more. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. Now, after that, of course, you have to create an account on CG Dropshipping. It's very easy. You just need to search for cgdropshipping.com and then you want to click on register. You can either register using your Google account, or you can also register using WhatsApp, as you can see here at the bottom. You can register using Facebook, Google, Apple, Shopify. Now I'm going to register using my Google account. Now after that, guys, what you guys need to do next is that's the first step. Okay, the first step, guys, is to start connecting CG to Shopify. This is an easy process. All you need to do, guys, you want to click on authorization. After you create, of course, an account on CG, you want to click on authorization in the top left, and then you want to select Shopify. Now after, guys, you select Shopify, in the next page, what you guys need to do next is you want to just click this X. Now I'm going to delete a Shopify store because I already linked it. I'm going to delete it right now, so that I can show you guys how you can do that yourself. Alright, now this is how it's going to look for you, okay? Now what you guys need to do, it will say something like you haven't authorized any stores yet. What you guys need to do, you want to click on add store. Now you want to click on authorize. Okay, guys, it will take you directly to App Store, Shopify App Store, where you can download an app that will help you import products and, you know, connect CG to Shopify. Now this will make sense in a few seconds. All you need to do, guys, you want to click on install. Alright, you want to click again on install. Alright, you want to click again on authorize and then click confirm. Click again authorize, and you have successfully now linked CG to Shopify. Make sure it says here authorization success, and then it says here CG will help you make dropshipping business much easier. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will see here 3 different options. You can fulfill your store's orders right now. You can list CG products to your store. You can connect products to CG so as to automatically import stored orders. Now what you guys need to do now is you want to click on list now, as you can see. Now what we are going to do is to start finding a product that we want to import to our store. Now I'm going to import, for example, this product. You just need to find a product that you want to import to your Shopify store and then click on the product. Alright, now as you can see here, guys, the product has almost like 7 different variations or colors. Here, what you guys need to do next, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on list. Here you will find your own Shopify store, and you can also charge tax if you want. Now I don't like to charge tax. Okay, guys, the product type, if it's not there, you just need to click on add new and type here the product type. Now I always do test, for example. Okay, the vendor, you just need to click add new and then add the vendor. Vendor is the store name. Okay, the shipping, most of my orders I always go with United States, and here the shipping method CG packet ordinary because it's cheaper. Alright, now after you finish this, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here where it says price change, you want to add the price for these, how much you want to sell these on your Shopify store. Now the total dropshipping cost here is going to be $17. So I have to increase the price to, for example, $29 so they can make some profits. Now after you add here 29, you want to click on OK. Alright, now as you can see, the service fee is $1, but the total dropshipping cost here is $17. But the CG price, which is the product price, is going to be $8. The shipping fee is $7. The service fee is $1. Like if you combine all these, it's going to end with $17. Now, like I said, you need to increase the price so that you can make some profits. Alright, now after you add all the price, you want to click on list it now. Now as you can see, listing in progress, you just need to wait a few seconds, and this exact product is going to be imported to your own Shopify store. Now I'm going to click on products. As you can see, this is the product that we have imported from CG to our Shopify. Now, if someone buys this product from us, CG will be able to ship the product automatically to the customer. Of course, you have to go to CG and add the balance or add the money so that they can use that money to ship the product. And by the way, they also upload the tracking numbers automatically after they ship the product to the customer. Alright, if you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. If this video helped you, please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.